Dito kami guys sa Dubai Festival. Tapos nagsakay kami na ano to? Boat ya?
Yeah. Ipag-show mo si Kuya na nag-drive. The front cam. The front cam.
Nag-picture.
Iikot mo ang iyang.
Yan ang aming driver dito sa... Ito yung pinicturean natin eh, di ba?
Mas ibig sabihin, labas to ng Burj Khalifa.
No,
Where he, akyat pa.
doon kami galing sa ano, Dubai Festival. Tapos,
Going to Harbor Creek.
Harbor Creek. Kami lang dalawa ni Emma.
Yes,
Masyal din. Pumunta kasi kami ng IKEA. Tapos, dumiretso na kami dito para doon kami sumakay sa North Harbor Creek. Papuntang Ormita kasi magsisimba ka.
Wow, it's nice to be here.
Thank you for watching. Kuya, anong ano to? Kuya,
Kuya, brother, what's this place?
Dubai Creek Harbor.
Ah, this one.
Yeah.
this
So you
one.
have to cross going there. There's a land up. So another going there.
Ano to dito yun?
Ito nga yung Dubai Harbor.
Ah. So dito tayo bababa o?
No, sa kabila.
Kabila. Para dito sa ano?
Dito sa metro, going to the station.
Ayun ang ano. Burj Khalifa. Kami.
Uy, ganit ang lindot sa Piancho.
Ewan ko.
Itong bago na ano. Bago na... Ay, yan yung papatalo ng Diyos. Brother, is this...
Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Didn't know what hit me when we started. I was shaking electric, trying to stay calm and collected. On that summer afternoon, you were shining like a gem in the sunlight. We were out until midnight, yeah.